You may notice that your iPhone automatically changes the brightness depending on the environment that you are in. It also might even change the color tone, and I'm going to show you how you can stop this from happening. There's actually 3 different things we got to do to make sure that our brightness never changes without us controlling it. So first thing, you want to go into your settings. And then you want to go to where it says display and brightness. This seems obvious. It would be the first place that we want to go. Okay. And then you're going to want to make sure that you don't have true tone turned on, because if I turn on to true tone, you're going to notice that all of a sudden my screen just got a lot warmer because right now I have warm lights shining on my phone. If I turn it off, it goes back to this nice cool setting here. Okay. So that will kind of mess with your brightness, but it's more so changing the warmth, the color temperature of your screen. Okay. So the next thing that we want to do is go back out and then go into this tab right here where it says accessibility. We're going to go ahead and select this. And then you want to go to where it says display and text size. Okay. And the automatic brightness control is actually hidden down here at the bottom. I call it hidden because it's not as intuitive of a place to go, but as you see, it says auto brightness. You can go ahead and turn this off. Just be warned, it does give you a little message here that this can affect your overall battery health, battery life, and all of that. Okay, but you can go ahead and toggle that off. And so now it won't be automatically changing your brightness without you, basically controlling it to. But the next thing, and the last place you would want to go to is your battery. Okay, so go back to your settings here. You want to go to the battery tab. And then inside your battery tab, you're going to want to make sure that you don't have low power mode on, because if you were to turn low power mode on, notice that my screen just got a little bit darker. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure that low power mode is off. And those are pretty much the 3 steps to make sure that your phone brightness is never changing without you controlling it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.